Differential converter. Read values from in.a and in.b. Okay, so in.a and in.b. Oh, did I miss a... No, I think third one. So here, more story. Interesting. It looks like whatever, there's some kind of static memory in this thing, encoded something or other. Oh, so if we fix this, we get like some messages or something? Clean Forget, hello. How are you doing today? Do I play Roblox? I created an account a long time ago when it first came out, and I don't think I ever played it. So, no? I know what it is, though. Okay, so read values from in.a and in.b. Write in.a to in.b. Oh, write in.a minus in.b. Okay, so we want to subtract a to out.p. And then b minus, okay, so a minus b goes to here. B minus a goes to here. Okay, so I need... Well, we have to like move up to somewhere. So that's gonna be there, and then we have to move up. Now I can't go right here, but I could go left here. And we're gonna move it probably down to P. So somewhere over here we have to do our subtractions. And our crossover could be these two, maybe? Let me see. If I push... Oh, there's gonna be a deadlock. If I try to send you over to here and you over here at the same time, that's gonna be a deadlock. That sucks. So instead, I'm gonna have to take you in. Let's see, how do I get you to subtract you? Without losing you. I could copy. Okay, let's say I move up to ACC. So we put you into memory. And then I want to also move ACC left. If I move up to ACC, now I have A right here. If I... Oh, it's like sub right. So have ACC, which is A, minus right. That affects ACC, which means I've lost A. So I can't do that. I need to somehow give them access, or oh no, backup. We can back up. Oh, okay. So wait. So before I sub right, then save. That saves ACC to the backup. Now I can sub right. And let's now move ACC. I could move it left, or I can move it down. I don't know if I'm going to need extra space or not. Let's move it down. And now I have A minus B here. And so then we could just do move up, down, move up, down. Okay, so I moved that down, and then can I now do move Oh, is there a restore? Swap. Okay, swap works for that. So swap then with, so backup becomes ACC, and I want to move ACC right. This is not like this is not really like functional anymore because this one thing is doing two different things, which is not great. But maybe it'll work and we won't get into a deadlock. Maybe. Okay, so I moved up into ACC. I then moved ACC to the left. I then also want to okay, so that's move up ACC, save it, sub right, so that gets this thing here. Move this down, swap it, move this to here. So now I have it. So now I can do sub left, move ACC down. It seems to be working. Hey, there we go. I wonder if there's like better than nominal. If there's like some level that it becomes really, really good.